Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to your Uphold. So first step is to open up your crypto.com app and then click on this account options. After that, you have to click on crypto wallet option. Then on the screen, you will be able to see the cryptocurrency that you have in your account. Now from here, select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer in your Uphold. Then you have to click on this transfer button. Then from this pop-up window, you have to click on withdraw, and then another pop-up window will appear. From here, click on this external wallet, last option. Then on the screen, click on add wallet address. After that, you have to select the network that you want to use, and then you have to paste your Uphold wallet address in this area. So open up your Uphold website or app, and then go to this section, anything to anything, and then you have to select this, click on this select source button or area. Then from this list you have to scroll down, and under this crypto networks you have to select your cryptocurrency network. For example, I'm transferring Bitcoin, so I will just select Bitcoin from here. After that, this will show you the similar screen. From here, click on this show address button, and then on this window click on I understand, and then you will be able to get your wallet address. So just click on this copy button right next to your wallet address. Then go back to your crypto.com app, paste the wallet address in this area and enter the wallet name, and then click on continue. After that, your wallet address will be added here. Now you need to click on this withdraw button right next to your wallet address. Then just click on confirm and withdraw, and then just enter the amount how much you want to transfer, and then click on withdraw. Lastly, you need to confirm, double check everything, make sure your wallet address and the network type is correct. You have to choose the same network type in this both of your Uphold and crypto.com. So once you have checked these things, click on confirm and then enter your passcode, and once you do that, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from crypto.com to your Uphold. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.